Today we are going to react to newly launched motion poster of the movie Lakshmi Bomb. It just came out some few hours ago, and it already has around 10,000 views. So, and it has 7 to 8,000 upvotes. So it's pretty good, and it's starring Akshay Kumar, so it's going to be pretty fantastic. So we are going to react to it, but before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon so never missing updates from me. Links to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me the feedback. I would love to hear from you guys too. Also, we have a new channel, K4 Kavit, which we give in the description. So please do me subscribe to that channel. We will be saying it after this particular reaction, this motion poster. So let's start.
आज से तेरा नाम लक्ष्मण नहीं लक्ष्मी होगा।
Whoa, pretty dark, man. Biggest episode 9. Wow. Well, talking about the motion poster, first of all, I noted that it was done by Raghav Lawrence. Raghav Lawrence is a very famous director in south part of India. He has directed a lot of movies actually. One of the very famous movies which come on Sony is Dawn Number 1, if I'm not mistaken, if you have seen that thing. And he's a very great choreographer. So he has directed this particular movie. So I don't know like it is, if it's the first time he has done it in the Bollywood, or it is like he's going from long period of time. I have no idea. But talking about the character which Akshay Kumar plays, it is not just the first time that someone has opted this character. We have Ashutosh Rana, who has already played this in a movie Sangharsh, which was also starring Akshay Kumar in that, and many actors over the years have opted this role. So it's going to be pretty fantastic how Akshay Kumar plays this role and what kind of story it will be having in this particular Lakshmi Bomb thing, because this is just a motion poster where he just changed his outlook to this particular character, and same point of time he is like promoting and motivating a very small number of minority people, which some they don't get that much of importance in the day-to-day life basis, and people don't even give much importance, or like I can say they just like insult them at a time to time basis, and even they don't like get any much of importance in any of the societies relation or anything. So it will be pretty fantastic to see how he plays his role and what kind of story he will be playing in this particular movie, and how it progresses, and what was the reason he opted from Lakshman to Lakshmi, if we just saw this thing. So it will be pretty great, pretty nice. So this was it. This was the reaction to this particular motion poster. I will be really excited to see the trailer. It will be released in like a week or something like that. So let's just hope for it. Let's just hope it's going to be great. So before going, I would like to request you to please subscribe and also bell icon so never miss any updates from me. We have an extra backup account for this particular channel, because it might get closed down because of the copyright strike. So it will be given in the description below. Please subscribe to that channel too, so I will be connected with you guys too. So please do connect with me, and please do keep suggesting me. It will be really great. It will be really motivating and inspiring, from to get suggestions from you guys. Listen to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me any feedback. I'd love to hear from you guys too. Also, follow me over there. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At the same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. And the next reaction, next tribute, I would request you to stay connected.